Hello everyone, I'm Tranu Mansoori, first year MMS student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. I'm going to present on the topic of pen. My pen name will be Puzzles Pen. So let's see its introduction. Pen has been used as a writing instrument since ages. The history of pen can be created back to 1880s, when the first patent on the ball pen was issued to Petrarch Poinaru. Our company has taken inspirations from the feathers that were used by Rajas and Rishas. The flow that it gave to them in writing different manuscripts is found in our products. Our pen target different groups, including grown-ups, kids, and the honchos of corporate world. The pen will surely stand beyond the expectations of users. The next one is, why am I selecting this product? The reason is given. As a student, to following are the reasons. The first reason is, it is a unique topic and none of my friends have chosen it. The second is, as a student, I am more connected with it. Therefore, gives me better understanding of this product. As a company, following are the reasons for selecting the product. Due to the cutthroat competitions in education, we feel it our duty to provide the students with the best of writing tool. We find a great scope to grow in this field. Now we have the diagram of brands that exist in market. There are five brands that have the highest market share. On number one position is Salo, which have highest market share, that is 29%. Then second is Reynolds, that have 25% market share, and third is Classmate, that has 18% market share, and etc. Now we have the images of pens, as you can see. The next is puzzles pen, puzzle pen name, logo, label, your success is our goal. It's a tagline. Now we have the some details about my puzzle pens. As you can see, here the point size is given, that is 7 mm. Tip jumbo bulky ink, DSW. Features waterproof ink, crystal clear body, Instaflow ink technology for smooth writing, ergonomically designed barrel for smooth and sharp writing, sweet absorbing. The next is puzzle executive. Its info is given here. Point size 0.5 mm. Tip techno radius ink, DSW. Features waterproof ink, crystal clear body, Instaflow ink technology for smooth writing, ergonomically designed barrel for smooth and sharp writing, sweet absorbing. Now we have the feature of my product. This pen combines the ballpoint design with the use of liquid ink and flow system of functions pens. Its tip is small sphere of 0.5 mm in diameters to give you best writing experience. Puzzle pens needs less pressure to be applied and writes smoothly. It is a smudge free. Puzzle pen has the best grips with sweet absorptions. The puzzle pen with light weighted body gives you the luxury of fountain pens and affordability of ball pens, waterproofing on most of the sources. Now we have the selling price of competitor. So here one table is given 4 columns are available. In first columns the some pens name are given, like Reynolds. Its wholesale price is 20 and retail price is 23, and finally customer will get it in 26 rupees. Same as same other brands name and its prices is given here, as you can see. The next is price list. So here one table is given in which four column is given. In first column, the name of the product is given, and in product is given, and puzzle is name of the product is given. First one is puzzle smooth flow. Its a whole price is 10, retail price is 15, and the remaining price is 20, which will be the customer get it. Same as puzzle executive, its whole price is 42, retail is 45, and the customer will get is 50 rupees. Now we have promotion programs. Advertising, it is an important promotion tool which reaches mass and is economical too. We will be giving advertisement on TV, having a celebrity with an encouraging personality. We will giving ads in big posters across public places, in magazines and in newspapers. Personal selling, the company has tie up with major institutes. The representative will distribute the free sample to the students in different school. Sell promotion, the company is using product combinations as a means of selling promotions on purchase of minimum 15 units of pen. The buyer slash consumer will get an eco-friendly notebook for free. So we have the use of my products. So what will be the UPS of product, and it is given in detail here. We are not just the best pen manufacturers, but we are the only that has received the Eco Hubby certificate for the quality of raw materials used. We assure the writer's 16.5 km non-stop writing experience, provides a sweet as absorption grip first time with any of the pen, provides 24 into customer support service, farm grips for stress free writing, simmers free writing with waterproof link. The next is social message for the label. We aspire to be a major brand in writing instruments worldwide by producing high quality pens for the masses. Now we have the marketing mix product. My product is a pen Techno sweet absorptions grip. It is a point pen with 0.5 mm stainless steel tip to give the users best flow and grip wheel writing. There is collaborations with German technology. The company has invested more, which leads to more innovation. Place, the product will be available at all those places which are convenient for the customers, like any stationery shops or supermarket where the customer can easily reach. We will give free samples to students outside their school, so that if they like our products, then they can purchase it from their nearby places. Price of our pen will be equal to the market price of our competitors. And promotion, we will be given out out the catalogs of our product outside the schools, given the advertisement on newspapers or magazines. There is no season for the promotions of the product, because pen is that kind of product which is used day and night by the customer. Public relations and effective communications that may use to provide informations to different parties about the product. Now we have the questionnaire. First question is, do you use pens? Yes, no. Second, which brand you would prefer? There are the four options is given: Reynolds, Uniball, Classmate, Fair, and Cello. Third question is, what quality do you see in a good pen? So here also options is given. First quality is smooth flow. Second, good grip. Third one is stylish, and fourth, long writing. Fourth question is, what type of pen you prefer? So there are the four names is given: ball pen, gel pen, ink pen, and roller pen. The last question is, what are your cost preferences? So some cost are is given. First, 5 rupees to 10. Second was 10 to 20. Third one is 20 to 50, and the last one is above 50. Now we have conclusion. I found my marketing project very interesting during my survey. I found the market share of Cello is very high. On inquiring, I found Cello has a diverse product line. It has the divisional structure. It is not maintaining standardizations, which is leading to deteriorating quality. On the other hand, Classmate, which follows product concept, has a very good quality control. It focuses on quality. This has built up a goodwill of Classmate. Majority of companies have taken to advertisement for promotion. Suggestion: I suggest to comply with quality with affordability to acquire market share and build up goodwill. After doing the project, I understood the importance of marketing as an important element of management. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.